What's up, stock warriors? Welcome back to the Market Pulse channel. Hope you're all crushing it out there in these wild markets. Real talk disclaimer. Yo, before we dive in, this is straight up education, not financial advice. I'm just a dude with charts, not your financial advisor. Everything I share is just my take on these crazy markets. Your investment journey equals your decision. Never risk money you can't afford to lose, and always do your own homework. Stay smart, stay hungry. Before we blast off into these insane charts, do your boy a solid and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss these gold tier analyses. And listen up, for the true fans who want premium content, early access, and my personal trade alerts, the link to our elite Discord community is down in the description. Now let's get into this technical feast. Now buckle up because these patterns are about to blow your mind. Check out this nuclear energy beast. OKLO skyrocketed from $10 to $12 in early 2024 to nearly $60 by January 2025. That's a 500% move in months. Why? They're crushing it with their innovative Aurora microreactors designed to power AI data centers. The recent pullback to $27 shows classic consolidation after a parabolic move, with strong support at the 150-day simple moving average of $25.83. Watch that $31.60 resistance. A break above could send this nuclear rocket back toward $40, with former OpenAI co-founder Sam Altman stepping down as chairman in April due to potential energy deals. OKLO's real-world applications are heating up. Their focus on clean, scalable energy for the AI revolution positions them perfectly in today's market. NNE is battling in the same nuclear arena, but with a different strategy. Trading at $23.52 after peaking near $48, the chart shows a textbook descending triangle, typically bearish. What's cool about NNE is their portable microreactor tech, Zeus and Odin reactors that could revolutionize energy deployment. The company recently acquired micro-modular reactor tech and raised $134 million since their May 2024 IPO. Technically, they've broken below the 150-day SMA at $25.85. Never a good sign. Major resistance sits at $33.82 with critical support at $19.24. Despite technical weakness, they've secured partnerships with data centers and AI companies that need clean energy solutions. Circle May 8th on your calendar. Their earnings report could be a major catalyst, especially regarding their Kronos MMR trademark system that just got regulatory approval. Celsius is showing a textbook rounded bottom or cup and handle pattern, one of the most powerful bullish setups in technical analysis. After crashing from 60 plus to around 22, it's recovered nicely to 35.79. The company's strength comes from expanding their market share to 11.8% in the energy drink space. Their game-changing move? Acquiring Alani Nu for $1.8 billion, a deal closing in the second quarter that creates a powerhouse in functional beverages. The technical picture couldn't be clearer. CELH has crossed above both its 150-day SMA 29.82 and longer-term moving average, confirming a new uptrend. Watch that 38 resistance. A break there could signal a major move higher, even though they missed recent earnings with EPS of $0.15 versus $0.2 expected. The market's focused on their strategic expansion. This is a classic case where fundamentals support what the chart is telling us. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, is the ultimate Bitcoin proxy, and its chart doesn't disappoint. Trading at $392.48, it's breaking out from a descending channel pattern, typically bullish. The Bitcoin numbers are mind-blowing. 555,450 Bitcoins worth $52 billion, making them by far the largest corporate Bitcoin holder. Through aggressive capital raising, $7.7 billion in Q1 2025 alone, they've transformed from a software company into a Bitcoin powerhouse. Technically, MSTR remains well above its 150-day SMA at $312.84, with immediate resistance at $415 to $425 and the all-time high of $543 as the major target. Despite reporting a $5.9 billion unrealized loss in Q1 due to Bitcoin volatility, their keep buying the top forever strategy has produced incredible returns. This is no longer a software stock, it's Bitcoin on steroids, offering leverage to crypto movements that even Bitcoin ETFs can't match. Mara presents a different picture at $13.33, trapped in a defined downtrend below both its 150-day SMA, $17.22, and longer-term moving average. As one of the world's largest Bitcoin mining operations with 47,531 BTC holdings, Mara faces challenges from the April 2024 halving that cut mining rewards in half. Their March production showed 242 blocks mined, impressive but requiring much more computational power than before. The chart shows multiple descending trend lines with resistance at $16.37 and $14.59, while $12.05 represents critical support. Mara needs to break above $14.59 to change its bearish trajectory. What's interesting is their aggressive expansion strategy, launching a $2 billion stock offering to raise capital for more Bitcoin acquisitions. Until the technical picture improves, however, the path of least resistance remains downward. Across these 5 charts, we see key patterns emerging. Innovation drives valuation. Companies disrupting traditional industries command premium prices. Bitcoin correlation, MSTR, and Mara show how crypto influences certain stocks. Energy transformation. Nuclear plays reflect growing awareness of massive energy needs for AI. Technical signals matter. From rounded bottoms to descending triangles, these patterns predict moves. As we move further into 2025, watch for Bitcoin's next big move, regulatory developments for nuclear players, and the rate environment affecting all growth stocks. Remember, technical analysis isn't about certainty, it's about probability and managing risk. These 5 charts show companies writing their technical stories in real time. If you found value in today's breakdown, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe, and join our Discord community through the Patreon link below. We're building the strongest trading community out there. Until next time, stay technical, stay hungry, and let the charts be your guide.